like Craig's mom's bush. Can't have too many rares. Epic, that'll help. That is epic. Just a rare. Better luck next time. Epic, like that time I kicked Cal's ass.
Mec, 2 parties d'affilée, putain.
Okay, you're a little bit lucky. Nice, a rare. I like rares, don't you? Wow, epic. There sure are a lot of rares, and you keep getting them. Epic cards make everything better.